Rayman Can, today we have a rolling knee creeper. We have to do a little bit of assembly, but let's put it together and see how this thing works out. You've seen this thing all over Amazon. Let's get started. Oh, by the way, have you noticed these things are kind of stuck to it? There's a magnet right here in the middle. There was a sticker here, but I removed it. But yeah, it's a magnet. I don't know if you can see it or not. Look closely, see? All right, come watch me assemble it. You have approximately 5 wheels. You just simply insert the wheel, put this piece on top, and just turn it. I'm gonna insert all 5 wheels now. I'm gonna hand tighten them, and then later on, I'm gonna tighten them up permanently with the Allen wrench. My knees already hurt on this concrete, so I can't wait to get this thing set up. As of right now, they're all hand tight. Now we're gonna tighten them up permanently with the included Allen wrench. Didn't think I would have to, but I have to use these vice grips right here to get this tight like I want it. All right, so this thing is all assembled. The wheels roll pretty good, rotates pretty good. Has a carrying handle like so. Also has a little spot right here to hook it onto something when you're done. You want to put it away. So for example, you have a hook. You just let it hang like that. It rolls nice and freely. You have this nice cushion right here. Your knees go into it, nice and comfortable. Much better than putting your knees on the ground. And yes, you can rotate your knees freely, like so. You can move around. You have a magnet right here to keep all your nuts and bolts into one spot. You have a little tool tray right here to keep your tools. Let me pretend like I'm doing something. Overall, great product. For more information on this product or to purchase this product, I will put an Amazon affiliate link in the description. Take care. I'll see you all in the next video, and thanks for watching.